SB19's One Zed Entertainment held a trade launch today that brought together key media partners, potential investors, and brand collaborators at their headquarters. COO Julian De Dios opened the event, introducing the One Zed Entertainment team and sharing their plans for the year.
So yes, we are very excited to share with you our plans this year. Mula sa One Zed Entertainment, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Board members Josh, Stel, Ken, and Justin were present, alongside CEO Pablo himself.
Josh Callen Santos, Stel Vester Ajero, Philip Susan, and Justin De Dios.
The team emphasized their commitment to developing world-class talent and notably hinted at a girl group currently in development. Pablo shared their vision of championing Filipino culture across every sector.
Namin yung culture, i-connect sa lahat ng sector, fashion, language, products, experiences, places, ano ba, tawag dyan? Ano ba yung tawag dyan? Tourism, lahat po yan gusto namin i-connect sa artist po namin. Nasa ganun, makilala talaga yung kulturang Pinoy. Pero saan po papasok yung mga brands nun, di ba? Parang it's about culture. It's also commerce. So, diba, through our artists, through the collaboration, meron tayong pwedeng mag-build na talagang pwede natin ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. So, right now, ginawa po namin itong trade launch na to, hindi po para maghanap lang ng sponsorships. We're here to co-build with you and scale everything up so that we can introduce Filipino talent, Filipino products, all Filipino all over the world. So maraming salamat po.
While Josh offered a glimpse into the future roadmap of One Zed Entertainment.
We've always had this dream that in the future we'll be building a talent-led model, a system-led model more than just a talent-led model. So for us, the system infrastructure, maybe yung mga nakita nyo is what we have done and what we have been doing for this year. But for our roadmaps, we haven't been able to plot it and you haven't seen it. But soon, everyone and everything here in One Zed will be under one roof, from vertical integration to talent development, and syempre, to us to be a global cultural export. So yun po, maraming salamat po, and I know that you guys are actually here to listen to our visions and dreams, and we are here to co-build with you. And ayun, welcome to the new norm and welcome to the new system. Welcome to the zone.